English-Hungarian to be made easy, to be equals.
Lenni.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and goodies. Today you and I make friends with the English-Hungarian verb, to be, short, simple, and super useful. Get comfy, smile, and get ready to speak out loud with me. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say who and where you are in Hungarian, confidently and with a grin. To be.
Lenni.
I am.
Vagyok.
You are, sing.
Vagy.
He is.
Ő van.
She is.
Ő van.
It is.
Van.
We are.
Mi vagyunk.
You are, plural.
Ti vagytok.
They are.
Ők vannak.
Forms with a smile. Repeat after me, yes, out loud, your plant won't judge. I am here.
Itt vagyok.
You are kind.
Kedves vagy.
He is in the room.
Ő van a szobában.
She is in the kitchen.
Ő van a konyhában.
It is on the table.
Az asztalon van.
We are ready.
Mi vagyunk készen.
You, plural, are awesome.
Ti vagytok szuperek.
They are here.
Ők vannak itt.
To be calm is a superpower, to be equals.
Lenni.
Quick party dialogue. Jump into a mini scene, you're at a party in Budapest. A. Where are you? B. I am here.
Itt vagyok.
A. Great. You are next.
Te vagy.
A következő. B. Is Peter inside? A. Yes, he is.
Ő van.
Bent. B. And Anna? A. She is in the kitchen.
Ő van.
A konahaben. A. The cake? It is on the table.
Az asztalon van.
B. Perfect, we are hungry.
Mi vagyunk.
Ehesek. A. Team, you are the best.
Ti vagytok.
A legjobak. B. Look, they are by the window.
Ők vannak.
As ablaknal. Lightning drills. Fast repeats, echo me with confidence. Big voice, big progress. Say, to be.
Lenni.
Say, I am Anna.
Anna vagyok.
Say, you are ready, sing.
Készen vagy.
Say, he is here.
Ő van itt.
Say, she is at home.
Ő van otthon.
Say, it is there.
Ott van.
Say, we are a team.
Mi vagyunk egy csapat.
Say, you are winners, plural.
Ti vagytok a nyertesek.
Say, they are in the park.
Ők vannak a parkban.
Culture tip. The van that isn't a van. Tiny grammar, huge win. In Hungarian,
Van.
means is, are, for location, time, and weather. It is cold.
Hideg van.
It is here.
Itt van.
In simple, X is Y, sentences, Hungarians often drop it. She is a doctor, is.
Ő orvos.
Not, O van Orvis. But for place or presence, you need it. She is in the kitchen.
Ő van a konyhában.
Pop quiz. Answer, then I'll reveal the solution. Ready? Which word means, to be? Answer.
Lenni.
Fill in. We are ready.
Mi készen.
Answer.
Vagyunk.
Translate. They are here. Answer.
Ők vannak itt.
Pick the form for, you are, to one friend.
Vagy.
Or.
Vagytok.
Answer.
Vagy.
Say, it is on the table. Answer.
Az asztalon van.
Challenge and goodbye. You've got this. Your challenge. Introduce yourself and your crew in Hungarian. I am.
Vagyok.
We are.
Mi vagyunk.
Point at friends and say, you, plural, are amazing.
Ti vagytok csodálatosak.
Record yourself, smile at every.
Van.
And remember, to be, equals.
Lenni.
Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing a little every day, and come say hi at www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, downloads, and good vibes from Synapse Lingo. See you next time.